Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to switch accounts on Instagram on PC quickly and easily so you can manage multiple profiles without logging out every time. Step 1. Open Instagram on your browser and log into one of your accounts. Make sure you're on the home page before moving to the next step. Step 2. Click on the More option located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This opens up additional settings and options for your Instagram account. Step 3. Select Switch Accounts from the menu. You'll now see a prompt asking for the username and password of the account you want to switch to. Step 4. Type in the other account's username and password, then click Login. Instagram will automatically switch you to the selected account. That's it! You've now successfully switched accounts on Instagram using your PC without logging out of the first one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials.